I was asked in a press conference 2 days ago about when I was going to come to Tamil Nadu. And I said that I was going to come soon. And when I answered that question, I gave my views on the people of Tamil Nadu. So I'd like to give those views to you here as well. Tamil Nadu is one of the best performing states in the country. And the only reason this state performs the way it does is because the people of Tamil Nadu. Your dedication is recognized by all of us in the rest of the country. And it is something that I am very, very proud of. My family has a long history with the people of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu had a very large space in both my grandmother and my father's heart. And it is not only the Tamils of Tamil Nadu who have a large place in my family's heart. It is the Tamils all over the world. It is Tamils in the United States, it is Tamils in Europe, it is Tamils in Sri Lanka. And it is very important. So I'll say it in the beginning of my speech. It is very important that our brothers in Sri Lanka, our Tamil brothers in Sri Lanka, are protected. The civilians of Sri Lanka have not harmed anybody. The civilians of Sri Lanka need protection. If there is going to be a solution in Sri Lanka, it is going to come through democratic means, and the civilians in Sri Lanka have to be given their rights. Over the last few months, the UPA government has done whatever is in its power. We have sent ministers to Sri Lanka. We have sent other people to Sri Lanka. And we have managed to improve the situation. And today, the Sri Lankans are not using heavy weapons and they have declared an end to their operation. And the government of India is going to do whatever it can, whatever is in its power to ensure that Tamil civilians in Sri Lanka are protected. We are fighting this election, as Mr. Chidambaram said, as part of an alliance. We are fighting with our partner, the DMK, and we are going to win the election in Tamil Nadu. And I will tell you why we are going to win the election in Tamil Nadu. When we came to power 5 years ago in India, when Manmohan Singh ji became Prime Minister, we promised a government of the poor people of this country. And we have delivered on that promise. We have sent thousands of crores of rupees from Delhi for the development of Tamil Nadu. You are all aware of the Employment Guarantee Scheme, where lakhs and lakhs of our brothers and sisters are given 100 days of work. We felt that the farmers of this country were not protected, were not helped by the previous government. So we carried out the largest loan waiver program this country has ever seen. We gave 70,000 crore rupees back to the farmers of this country, and we opened the doors of the banks for those farmers. And I must say that Mr. Chidambaram, your MP, was part of these decisions. And in the front of the audience, I see some of our sisters, and we carried out as a government the largest expansion of microfinance, of self-help groups that has been seen. Today, 30 lakh self-help groups are operational in this country, and they are helping build this country and take it forward. With regards to Tamil Nadu, the first decision we took after we came to power was develop a desalination plant in Tamil Nadu. And with regards to this constituency, your candidate, your MP, has done tremendous amounts of work here. And I would like to list out some of these things that he has done. 16,000 student loans have been given, 67 crores of loan waivers to farmers in this constituency itself. the train broad gauge from Chennai to Trichy to Rameshwaram, 46 new bank branches, a milk processing plant, an aluminium factory, a BHEL factory and other paper factories. So your candidate has done tremendous work in this area. We would request you to support him in the coming election. For the future, and the Congress Party in particular, we are going to work with the youth of Tamil Nadu to change the face of this state. In Uttar Pradesh and in some of the northern states, and after this election, I will come to Tamil Nadu and I will work with the youth of Tamil Nadu. I look forward to working with you. Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you. Nandri. Okay. Please vote for the hand symbol and make Chidambaram ji victorious and Manmohan Singh ji victorious in Delhi.